left, behind, right, and down. Back the other way. Right, behind, left, and down. Okay, palms down, but with the hoop up. It's going to change everything. Nice long arms. We're going to drop the hoop over to the right and behind the body. Then we're going to drive it over. It's going to feel awkward. Lean forward, bring your arms together. You'll end up in a crossed position. Bring it back up to where we started. Now we're going to push under to the other side. Behind the body. Back to where we started. Let's do that again. Out, behind, around and in, up, under, behind, around and in. Are you stuck?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that side again.
It's just that one side.
Yeah, so the right hand comes down and pushes the hoop out. Now I'm going to pull the right hand in so the hoop comes past my bum and back down. Yep, follow it down, relax the left arm down, good. Push out to the side and back in to where we started. Let's do that side one more time. Under and out, loose grip. Pull the right hand in. So get your hoop out to the side, look at your hoop. Yep, pull it in, good, down, push it out and in. So in fast mo it looks like this. Yeah, behind and up, behind and up, behind and up, behind and up. Yeah? More wheels? How's it on frame? Have you got at least one of them?
Yeah, I'll work on that one because I'm still lost with that one.
Okay, anyone who wants more, we're now going to come into a palm up grip with the hoop down in front. This one is also relatively simple, so I recommend everyone tries it. Out to the side, pull in, fingertips to help you get there, push over and down. Out, in, out, down, out and in, around and down. Other side, out, woo, in. That side feels weird, doesn't it? Feels for me anyway. Down one more time. Out. Okay, if anyone needs more, palm up on the bottom of the hoop, yeah? Is everyone? Oh my god, everyone's in! Okay, cool. Alright, we are going to drop the right hand down and push out to the side so we're in a very crossed position. We now need to weave it to here. Out, behind, over, and in. Wait, is that where we started? Yeah, that's where we started, right? Palms up on the bottom of the hoop? Yeah. Again. Down, across, bring it in, think of bringing your elbows to your wrists, and then over, down, around, up. In fast mo it looks like this. No, it doesn't. In fast mo it looks like this. But we just learned it in.